Y'all, you can go to the deli section of your supermarket and get a rotisserie chicken and put it in front of your people and say, that's dinner. But you can also make one of these 3 recipes here and people call you an all-star. Y'all, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 awesome recipes using a rotisserie chicken. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get it, y'all. 3 recipes, 3 chickens. We gotta get these things off the bone. I'm gonna put these chickens over onto, this is just a tray that I have. You can use a bowl or whatever. Make sure you take the string off or you'll be, you know, giving Uncle Elmer some floss, you know what I'm saying? So what I start off with is I like just parting out everything. And man, those rotisserie chickens, they just come apart so easy. Don't throw the skin away. I'm about to show you a life hack on it too. It's good just to get a pair of gloves and just go at it. Makes it so easy. Hussey never gets around to that. I'm gonna debone all of these chickens and I'll be right back, all right? All right, guys, recipe number 1, done. Boy, look at that, that's some good groceries right there. I'm just playing. We got all the chicken off the bone here, guys. Now we're going to our number 1 recipe, chicken salad. Yes, 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 chicken salad. I like to use quite a bit of the white meat for this. So this is parts from the breast here, and chop them up into manageable pieces. Also, I want y'all to pay attention. I have the Blackstone. I have it on, and we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something extra here, y'all. So the chicken skin that we have, well, it looks okay. It's not that crispy. It's a little bit flimsy. We're gonna render it down a little bit more. And it's gonna be some chicharrones. So I got my Blackstone. I got it on like a low heat. This is gonna add a beautiful crunch, beautiful flavor. While our chicken is going over on the griddle, we're gonna get other items going for our chicken salad. There's gonna be some people going to the comments, be like, you don't put apples in this, Hussey. You put grapes instead, or whatever, I don't know. This is something that I've just kind of began to like. I like apples in it. These are Honeycrisp apples, and I love Honeycrisp apples. Now I got a little celery. I like my celery really fine. I don't like a big old chunk. Gotta have onion. This old yellow sweet onion. Sweet like me. I tell you somebody who's excited for this video, that's this dang dog right here. She's more excited than a 10-tailed dog in a tennis ball factory. I tell you what, you've been a pretty good girl. In between the onions, we're gonna come over here and flip our skins over. All right, we're gonna let those go just a little while longer. All right, got our onion. What do you do about, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna do this whole half. Just a nice fine dice, kind of like you did the celery and the apples. Last but not least, for ingredients, I like some walnuts. And these are just walnut halves, and we're gonna run our knife right through these suckers too. Now it's time to get to the nitty gritty, y'all. Let's make it. Let's make it. We're gonna start off with mayonnaise. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. Got some apple cider vinegar, got a little tang to it. So granulated sugar, about a teaspoon. There's something else I'm missing? Oh, salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, fresh pepper. A little salt. Y'all don't be salty now. Giving that a good mix right there. Boy, she's looking good. Whew. Lord have mercy. A good chicken salad. We're not done. We're gonna make a chicken salad sandwich. And how I like to make my chicken salad sandwich, I like to use a croissant. A croissant. Cut those in half, just like that. Look at that. I'm really proud of myself that I cut those evenly, so yay me. Look at that. Jacob, are you proud?
No.
He's proud. Good job, Jacob. How about a little bit of butter on a little bit of chicken, fat, and we're gonna toast these croissants up. All right, after about a minute or so, we're gonna get these croissants, get those off the griddle. Now it's time to put our lovely chicken salad. If I don't put mayonnaise on the croissant, is that breaking a state law? I mean, I got mayonnaise in the chicken salad. Leave me a comment down below. We have our crispy chicken skins. And I want you just to hear it. You ready? I need a moment of silence, y'all. Oh, 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 oh. We're just gonna take a little bit of these lovelies, put them right there on top of our chicken salad. One down. Gotta give it a try though. Jacob, you gonna give it a try? Look at that. Look how beauty right there. Here, Jacob.
Thanks.
I gotta treat Jacob good. He says he has like incriminating evidence on me.
Kind of sucks.
That chicken skin is good. Damn. Y'all, this was amazing. One down, let's get to the next one, and it's gonna be fire also. Let's go. I have one bell pepper, and what we're gonna do here is like a chicken spaghetti. So I'm gonna do some red peppers, just some nice chunked up red peppers. I'm gonna do half an onion. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I was gonna put bacon in this. I forgot the dang bacon.
Really? Oh, thank God! Oh, thank God!
We'll put just a little bit of butter over on our Blackstone. We'll put our peppers right there. Put our onions. The onions and peppers, we're just gonna work those around, get them nice and sweat it off. We have that butter down, plus we have that chicken fat down. I got some of our rotisserie chicken pulled out over here. This is some of the breast meat here. And we're just gonna cube this up just a little bit, rough chop. We'll add our chicken to this. Mix this all together. All we really got left here, y'all, is add our noodles. This is 1 pound of noodles, and I pre-cooked these earlier and put them in a baggie. Just put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of the juice, the water, the salty water, okay? Now we're just gonna mix this chicken up. Now comes the creamy part. I'm gonna take some, this is heavy whipping cream here, y'all. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, half a cup. You could also add a little bit of cream cheese to this as well. That would really intensify the creaminess. Because it's pasta, gotta add a little bit more of this cracked black pepper. All right, guys, let's plate this dude up. Look at this pasta. That's a plate full of goodness right there now. Woo-hoo! Y'all, woo! Time to church this up a little bit. Got a little bit of parsley. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know who's coming. A little bit more of this Parmesan cheese and a little bit of pepper. That's a winner chicken pasta dinner. Creamy chicken pasta dinner. Come on. Let's give this bad boy a try. How y'all eat y'all's pasta? Are y'all twisters or you just get at it? I'm a twister. Cheers. Jacob, you need to get on that. He said he thinks it's good. I don't know what that means. I'm going in for another bite. This recipe number 3 coming up. It is so simple, but it's so good. Stick around. I guarantee you're gonna like it. Last recipe, but certainly not least, chicken Phillies. I don't know if I should say Philly or not, Jacob, because to be honest with you, the Philly people, they want to like own me because I put Philly in it. Chicken cheesesteaks. Let's do chicken cheesesteaks. That's gonna be our 3rd recipe. It's gonna be quick. We're doing a lot of life hacks here, y'all. Make things easier because that's just what old Hussey and Jacob does. We'll put a little bit of butter down onto our griddle. Now to this butter, we're gonna add 3 pepper and onion blend. This is frozen vegetables. True life hack here, y'all. Got some sub rolls over here, and we're gonna slice these. Not all the way through, but just part of the way through. I get flacked all the time. I'm just gonna do this. People always said, it's life-changing, Hussey. Life-changing if you toast your buns with mayonnaise. I've done it before. I like butter better, just personally. But today, I just want to appease everybody. I'm a people pleaser. Is that right, Jacob? Yeah. Just an old people pleaser. Okay? So we're just going to get these. I want them toasted up just a little bit. We're not going to toast them real long. Just enough. Get a little flavor on them, okay? Now, our peppers and onions, they are pretty much done. So now we're just gonna take, as John, we're gonna take our chicken, our shredded up chicken, we'll put it on each one of our piles. We saved this chicken juice too, y'all. So we saved it for a reason. I wanna put a little bit of this over that chicken. Now, just gonna mix this chicken into these vegetables and into that juice. Well, that's special right there. We'll put a couple pieces of this provolone. We're gonna come in and we're gonna mix chicken in this provolone cheese. That way it's just not one-sided. Your cheese, you don't want it one-sided. I forgot to season up the vegetables and stuff. We're just gonna come in a little bit of this heifer dust. We're not done with the cheese. We're gonna put mozzarella on top. Got our buns, hun. Lay those on top of your chicken piles. Ooh, I forgot mayonnaise. Woo, get back here. Gotta put a little bit more mayonnaise on that, Jacob. About committed a cardinal sin. It's your fault. It's your fault, Jacob. Whew, that was a close one, guys. That was a close one. All right, these dudes, they're ready. And I'm ready. You ready? Woo! Doggies? Son, that's the easiest chicken cheesesteak I've ever seen in my life. Woo, woohoo. Boys and girls, look at this. Ha ha ha! Woo! Boy, that's some good looking groceries right there. Let's give this bad boy a try. I'm gonna need a minute. Boys and girls, this is so good. That rotisserie chicken plus the peppers and onions, everything was done for us and it just works so well. Dang. I couldn't stop eating it. So cheesy. Like your boy. So good. We're gonna put a chicken skin on it. Excuse the leaf blower in the background, y'all. Put a chicken skin right there. Oh my gosh. I should have put chicken skin in there. I was going to, I forgot. Guys, there you have it. 3 awesome recipes that make your life a lot easier. Hey, click this video right here. I guarantee you'll love it too.